Here are 3 fast winter protection tips for your car. Tip 1. Decon wet coat. Always make sure to do this after rinsing on a wet surface. You could spray this on the wet surface, or you can spray this in the stream while you're rinsing. By means of this, your paint is always non-stick, and with that it will stay cleaner for longer. So, also on glass surfaces, easy, spray on, rinse. Also is a great protection against thorough de-icing of glass surfaces, like windshields, side windows and panorama roofs. Tip 2. Decon ceramic glass protection. This product will give great protection and beading on any windshield if you drive faster than, let's say, approximately 50 km/h or faster. First, clean the windshield. The better you clean it, the better the results with ceramic glass protection will be. Let's create a good 50-50 for a good comparison. Ceramic glass protection. Why this? For example, not the wet coat, because this is completely streak free, and with that it's also a much longer protection, especially if you got cold circumstances like in the Alp countries when you go on ski holidays. This will really help you to prevent your windshield from freezing. Put it on the applicator. Divide it and spread it out. You can actually do 2 layers if you like to. Now let it cure for approximately 60 seconds. Zo'n klokje in beeld. Tik, 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 tik. Wipe it off with a short-piled microfiber towel. There we go. Tip number 3. Decon interior matte and protect. To dress door rubbers against freezing and caking on, especially in the colder temperatures, to be applied with a super soft brush. To prevent spillage, we're going to spray this into the bristles of the brush, agitate it over the surface like this. Cool thing is it's a water-based dressing, and with that it will not stain your arms or your trousers when you accidentally touch it when getting in or out of the car. Also, you don't have to overdo it. You can already see it's kind of wanting to bead off because there was some rest water after the washing. So that's the protection of it. And after application, wipe off excess material with a short-piled microfiber towel. Easy as this. Cool thing about interior matte and protected, it's not greasy. So if I wipe it with my fingers, I can feel it's slippery, but it's not greasy. If you have door sills or door rubbers, often you don't only have a rubber here, but you also have it here for isolation. In that case, we would always advise to dress both the parts. To apply here as well. And in the case of the door rubbers being very dirty, because this is a place where a lot of dust and sand heaps up, first clean them using a harder brush and all-purpose cleaner. After application, also here, wipe down all the excess material, and the same goes for these parts. 3 easy tips to protect your car during winter circumstances. Wet coat for paint, ceramic glass for the windshield, and interior matte and protect for the door rubbers. Now it's time to go to the car wash and check out what you can do there.